What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, look, real quick, I want to give you guys an update on everything going on with the Humvee. Also, I got something important to tell you guys. I have partnered up with Bunker Branding, and we actually have merch for sale now. 100% of the sale of the t-shirts will go to putting money back into the Brave Humvee to help grow this build. That way you guys can see everything going on. You guys are going to be part of the build, and we're going to help grow this channel into something big. If you guys want to go grab your t-shirt, check out the link in the description below. Grab you a hoodie, a t-shirt for your friends, family, maybe for a Christmas gift or something. It's this shirt, and then we have the design on the back, and we also have some Brave Humvee designs of just the Humvee rendering on the t-shirt along with some other stuff. So check them out, guys, and get you a shirt or two, and we'll see you guys in a minute. So in the last video, I showed you guys we got new wheels and tires for it. To support those wheels and tires, we got to change out everything in here. These are the half shafts. These are the hubs. These are all 7K half shafts, 7K hubs. These are M998 springs, and the ball joints are shot out. What we're wanting to do is we got to replace all that to support the big wheels and tires that are going on it. However, everything that we ordered is back ordered. We actually ordered everything, and the 12K half shafts and the 12K hubs are back ordered for almost up to a year. And what I'm thinking about doing is having Black Dog Customs, or having Mike go ahead and replace the half shaft, the damaged ones. There's one here in the back, and then there's one in the front as well. So I'm gonna have Mike go ahead and replace the back one and the front one. He's gonna change all the spindle nuts and the hubs. We're gonna go ahead and put all new belts on it, replace the ball joints. It'll make the Brave Humvee drivable, so that way I can take this thing off-road and I can show you guys what it's made of. One thing that I wanna do is, I haven't actually got to test it and see what it can do in the woods and the mud or anything. My goal is to get this thing drivable, and then that way I'm gonna go ahead and put the new wheels and tires on it, and we're gonna take it off-road, and I'm gonna put it to the test with all 7K half shafts, 7K hubs, stock shocks in the back, but I gotta put new shocks in the front for it to clear the 40s. We're gonna do all that and then put it to the test. And I may go ahead and put a fording kit on it, but I'm not sure yet. But I wanna show you guys something else. So Mike had a good option. He mentioned that instead of waiting a year or possibly longer to get the 12K half shafts, hubs, and everything that we need, he mentioned buying a parts truck, which is this one right here. This is a 1123, but it already has the upgraded half shafts, springs, the upgraded gear hubs, and all that good stuff that we need. So I think that we're gonna go ahead and, I'm not sure yet, but maybe purchasing this, pulling everything off of it, sending everything off to get powder coated, and then pitting everything on the Brave Humvee. Even though it's used, it will still be what I need and it's still in good shape. A lot of you guys are here from Demolition Ranch. You want a Humvee update, because I haven't given you guys anything with the Humvee in the past few weeks, and it's because it's sitting in a lot full of nothing but Hummers waiting to get fixed. Mike is super busy, he's super booked out, and he told me when I brought it to him that it was gonna be about 4 months before he could even touch it. I'm impatient. I thought maybe he could pit me up front, but it don't work that way. I'm gonna tear it up. It's trash anyway, so I wanna put it to the test to see what it can withstand before it breaks. So I wanna take this thing off-roading. I wanna go climb some rocks. I wanna go climb some mountains, take it in the mud, bury it, and just really put it to the test before we tear everything out, because like I said, it's all getting replaced anyways. You guys will see a new video in the next couple of days with an update with the wheels and tires, which I haven't shown you guys yet. Kind of keeping it a secret. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you guys later.